We are at Bass Pro Shop. At the trucker boats. My husband is shopping for a boat. Expensive boat. How much this one is? He was looking at it a while ago. Wow, look at this. That's nice. Party boat. There's another boat. Very nice. Land Cruiser. Trucker off-road. Wow, look at that. Nice. Nice boat. Big boat. Expensive boat. Wow, look at this. Nice, nice, beautiful boat, expensive boat. It's a Ranger Trail. Did you find anything you like? Oh, this one is nice. I like this one. It's small. Narrow is good.
Not as stable.
Oh, it can turn over. Nice though, I like it. This one is sold, but we have more. This one is sold, but they have more. What about this one? Wow, it's almost like a house payment. $91,000. Ooh, what about this one? How much? That's what you like? No carpet? Wow, look at this. This one is nice. You don't need a big boat. You don't need a big boat. You need something light to put it on the trailer, because you have to crank it to put it back on the trailer. Wow, that's nice right there. We're just looking around for a boat. Oh, let's go look this way. There's another one right here. The black one. The black and blue. Right there. $63,429 a month. Look at that. $63,000 for this boat. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that. Wow. Which one you like though? See how much this one? I like the little one, the aluminum. You should ask for aluminum. $45,000. This one is sold. It's sold, but we have more. How much? 71,000. Holy moly. Holy moly. 71,000. Hi. Expensive. But it's nice though.
Motor has GPS in it.
Right?
Also has, this is already hooked up for the big screen that they put up there.
Okay. we can take a look again outside. They were both outside. That's $200 a month.
Ranger,
26,000.
$238 a month,
Uh-huh.
but that's 10 years or 12 years.
Mm-hmm. Ranger. Do you like Ranger? The only thing about this boat, because when you crank it to the trailer, you have to do it by hand. You're not getting any younger when taking it to the trailer, you know. It's nice though. It's got the, what is this cover? Why it's out? This, oh, it's supposed to be like that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Lights. Internal lights.
there's nothing to cover from the wind when you're driving. What's that for? TV? GPS?
GPS navigation, that's sonar.
Right.
Cup holder.
Oh, it's got 3 seats in the middle. Look at that. I like
Yeah.
that.
Oh, the other one's out.
Hmm?
The other one's out there got 3 seats in them.
The one outside. This one, how many seats in the middle? This one has only 2 seats. There's nothing in the middle. The one in the middle is a cooler. They're all nice boats, expensive. How much a month on this one? This one is sold, but how much a month? $431. $53,665. It's the low, what's the name of the boat? Netro Performance. Right there. Netro Performance. Z18 Netro Performance. Expensive. This one here, how much this one? 317, $34,445. And this is the Tracker. The Tracker boat. Tracker boat Pro 190T. 190T. It's got 3 seats. And it's got, where's the GPS? Oh, this the Lowrance right here. One here, one at the front. How much a month? 317. Wow. $317. It's nice though. And it's got seat in the front.
Got foot controls, so no longer I gotta put this thing around my neck.
Right. This is nice. Pro 19. Can you change it? Can you?
They got one like this outside with less.
Oh, really? Let's didn't pressure here to buy both. Huh? I like it. It's $317. Tractor. Huh? What's that for? No haggle, no hassle, national price. is 21,000.
What?
Right there, 29,000.
And you got
Oh, those are additional charges. $34,445.
Trailer. I don't want trailer brake.
They can deduct that. What is cost? They can deduct.
They can't deduct. It's already on there.
Oh, okay. Custom cover charcoal. Custom cover charcoal,
That comes
$700.
with a custom cover.
$725. I see. At least they don't pressure here. They don't pressure you to buy the boat, huh? They let you, huh?
Take care, you gotta go find them.
Not like some other places, they'll drive you crazy. Did you like it? Oh, you cannot put a steering wheel on this? Ah, okay. Wow, they're expensive. Why you don't like this one? That one?
Narrow. Very narrow.
Oh, we can turn over?
Just when you move around on it, you can feel, you know how when you move around on my boat, you can't really feel it
Mm-hmm.
because it's wide. This
Oh, you need a wider one?
one, you'll feel it going around on it. This is like the original. This is like the very first boat they made 50 years ago.
It's $18,189 a month.
But the gas can, it's an external gas can, only holds 60 gallons, so you ain't gonna go far with it.
Right. Okay guys, we're done shopping. Please don't skip ads. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye bye. Those are the life jackets. When you go boating, you have to have a life jacket. If you don't have a life jacket, they will take away your boat license, or they might give you a fine, big fine, or they'll take away your boat. So that's the life jacket here. God bless. Bye bye.